Hey, it's Nay, and today I'm going to bring you guys along with me on my relaxed hair care journey. If you saw a previous video I made about dyeing my hair using the Adore hair color, you know that I have relaxed hair and I'm very particular at the kind of products that I want to put in my hair. So ever since that video, I've been researching on Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, all different kind of sites just to see what other women are doing to care for their relaxed hair. And I entered into the world of protective styling. I'm very late in the game. I had no idea there were all these different things that I could do with my hair to keep it from getting damaged as I'm waiting for the next time for me to get it relaxed. So, as you see, I got my scarf on. I am 16 weeks post-relaxer, almost 17. Last time I got my hair relaxed was February 5th. So let me show y'all what I'm working with. I just washed and conditioned and treated my hair just yesterday, and this is the results. Of course, I haven't put anything in there to lay it down, but this is what we're dealing with. So I've been experimenting a lot with protective styles over the last couple of weeks, and I've had a lot of fun being able to change up my look and not having to feel discouraged, because you know, a lot of us relaxed women, once we start feeling our actual texture come back and we get kind of discouraged and want to throw braids in there, want to try to straighten it out. No, I haven't been doing any of that. So moving forward, I'm going to actually bring you guys along on my journey, and I'm going to show y'all some of the styles that I've been trying out. So for this week, I am going to be installing this instant up down, which is basically, it can be an updo, a pony wrap, or a half wig, or you can have this up down right here. So I want to make my hair look like this. I got this off of Amazon. It was like $12, and it is real hair, and it's safe for 350 to 400 degrees. So it means that you can curl it and straighten it. So the products I'll be using, I got this Miracle Leave-In product by It's a 10. This is amazing. It basically will keep my hair from breaking as I'm trying to comb it and detangle it to get it to cooperate with me while I style it. Also, this is my favorite oil. It's by Main Choice, and it's their growth oil. It smells like pink lemonade to me, and it reduces shedding. If my hair or scalp is feeling dry, it works really well. Also, just bought this product the other day. It is Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil. This has been wonderful because, like, when you squirt it in your hand, it's very thick, but your hair, well, my hair absorbs it very well. So I will be using this. As a cream, I got the olive oil incredibly rich oil moisturizing hair lotion. And I will also be using their Edge Controller hair gel. So, according to the lady on the video, all she did was parted her hair right along the middle, and she took the back and put it in a ponytail, and then she just slapped this on. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of finger part this to separate it, and then I'm gonna use the comb and go back through to make the nice line. So now that we got that part over with, all I'm gonna do is just moisturize my hair using those products that I showed you, and I'm gonna make 2 buns. So probably gonna repart this a little bit so that I have more hair in the back, because I'll be able to hide this up underneath the bottom part of this. The key to protective styling, especially when you're using clip-ins or any type of extensions, is to make sure that it looks as close to your hair as possible, even though everybody's gonna know it's not yours. They're not gonna know, okay? You just leave them a little confused. Here I am using the Mane Choice Growth Oil to moisturize my scalp. I just take a little bit and put it on my fingertips and rub it through my scalp. This product is my favorite product to use when my scalp is feeling dry because it'll moisturize my scalp without weighing my hair down or making it too oily. Now I'm gonna use the It's a 10 spray. I'm gonna take it and just spray it all over my hair and get it nice and saturated. This product has been a lifesaver when it comes to detangling my hair because once I spray it, all I have to do is comb it, and you'll see a little bit later on in the video when it looks like I'm raking the comb through my hair, but there's absolutely no breakage in the comb when I get done. Now I'm gonna take the Aussie Miracle Moist Hydration Oil and smooth it on top of my hair. When I use this product in conjunction with the It's a 10 spray, it really helps to seal in the moisture from the spray. And as you see, it's very thick, but I don't want you to let that discourage you from trying the product. It is absolutely amazing. It does not weigh your hair down. It looks thicker than what it is. Your hair is gonna absorb it very well, especially if your hair is wet before you put it on. Now I'm gonna finish up with the olive oil cream moisturizer. This is basically my version of the LOC method, which is also known as liquid oil cream. There's a lot of debate about what order you should apply the products, so when you do find your own products that work for your hair, just put them on in the order that works best for you. Now that I got my ponytail together, I'm just gonna braid the hair that is left out just to keep it from drying. What you'll see is I'm gonna secure the braid with a rubber band, and to keep the rubber band from breaking my hair when I take it out, I'm just gonna soak the rubber band in oil and let it sit there while I braid the hair. Also, you wanna make sure to put some cream or some oil at the bottom of your hair right before you finish the braid to keep it from being dry while it's sitting underneath your protective style. Now I'm gonna tuck my braid into my ponytail holder and I'm gonna repeat the process on the top. Okay, now that we finally got that part over with, it is time to see what this hair looks like. Okay, so it comes in two separate sections. Got the, okay, need some scissors. Why did they do it like this? I have used quite a few ponytails over the last few weeks, and I have noticed that they always have all these signs and tags and everything connected to the hair. So this is the back. There is one comb here, so I'm guessing this is the middle. And then there are two combs at the bottom, along with the bungee, the little cord that you pull to tighten around your head. So I have never done this before. Let's see how this works out. Your comb, this comb's gonna go right here in the middle, and the bottom combs are going to stick into your ponytail back here, and then you pull this string to tighten it around. Okay, let's try this again. This here. Oh, they call this part a half wig. It's literally like a wig. Wow, okay. And I'm gonna, stretch this. Ooh, I'm gonna have to move my hair up. Hold on. Okay, so move my ponytail up a little bit. Now, I'm gonna try this again. Okay, so I'm just trying to get these combs to latch onto my hair back here. In the video, I noticed the lady took like a pin, a bobby pin, and she stuck it right here along the side to secure it. I didn't know why she did that, but now I understand. So luckily, I always had some bobby pins sitting right here on the counter, because you never know what you may run into these days. Me with these hair pieces. Alright, so it's secure on this side. Y'all don't mind me. Alright, so now we're gonna do the same for the other side. Oof, head kind of big. It's really stretchy though. Ooh. Oof. Okay. I'm gonna pull this here and hope that I can hold it long enough for the bobby pin. Oh, I'm feeling this already. Now we're gonna do the second part. Of course, it's connected to the packaging. So take this out of the little net they put it in. So for this part, I've seen this in videos before as well. So you basically take this part, wrap it around your ponytail. So it's got a comb here and here. And then you take this part and wrap it around this band to make this part disappear. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I can probably show you better than I can explain it at this point. I'm gonna connect this part. Ow. Hold this part up. Wow, they make this look so much easier in the videos. Wow. Instant up, down. This is the longest instant I've never seen in my life. All right, we're gonna try this again. So now I got it connected to my ponytail, I think. So now, I'm just gonna wrap this around. Wow. To cover up the that band I was telling you about. And then when you get to the end of it, you just want to secure it with another bobby pin so that you won't show the strap. Oh, it didn't come out too bad. Well, how do you think I did? I think I did pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10 for protective styles, as far as easiness goes, I would definitely say that this was one of the harder of my protective style experiences. I have never actually dealt with like a half wig before, nor have I dealt with the ponytail that you wrap around. I'm definitely going to say, if you decide to get something like this, make sure you got a lot of bobby pins, you have a lot of patience, because definitely is not gonna it may not go well the first time, but you got to be patient. Probably get a curling iron and do some curls, you know, give it some loose waves so that it doesn't look like I got it exactly out of a box. Also, if somebody could give me some ideas on how to secure this a little better so that it would stay in place right along with my part, that would be greatly appreciated. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below. Also, if you're interested in coming along with me on my relaxed hair care journey, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified about all my future videos. Also, if you guys have any ideas for any protective styles you would like to see me try, you can let me know down below in the comments. See you next time.